Okay guys, before we get into the video, I want to say, 1, yes, my hair looks like garbanzo beans. 2, no, I'm not adding this to make it past 10 minutes because the video is already past 10 minutes by itself. But basically, I just wanted to talk about the Essence sale. In this video, I'm going to show off a piece that I got not from Essence. I actually found a better sale. I was originally going to buy this on Essence, and it sold out of my size, and then you guys came through and let me know of a good deal. Thank you to everyone that did. But the Essence sale and other sales like the sale at Barney's are ending extremely soon. It's the end of the year, and those sales are going to end any second. I mean, you can already tell because sizes are so limited. There are so many things that I want that I can't get because they don't have my size. They added like a super dope off-white hoodie. They only have it in an XL. They have some really sick off-white shoes that I'm actually thinking about buying. I'm just trying to figure out if I can squeeze my foot into a 9. I'm going to leave a bunch of links to the off-white shoes. Some Y3 shoes they have for $130. The most important thing, they only have 2 of them, is the Y3 reporter bag. It's like a shoulder bag or whatever. So if you're looking for like a small little shoulder bag to store stuff in, that would be the perfect thing for you. Personally, I got the Palace bag, you know what I'm saying? So I'm good, but they only got 2 of those left. It's pretty slim pickings, but they have some stuff left in stock, some stuff with like 1 or 2 sizes left. I'll also try to find any links to like dope stuff on Barney's, but Barney's selection is just usually a lot smaller, or at least I should say their sale selection. But I mean, I still find good deals on Barney's too. Yo, this actually came. It came so freaking quick. Okay, so I was gonna open this. I was on my way to go ask about getting a new phone. Not really a new phone because I'm not really gonna buy a new phone. I don't support anything after the iPhone 6 or iPhone 6s, I guess, because it doesn't have the headphone jack, and then the new one doesn't have the thumbprint reader. I'm just, Apple, stop changing. I can't adapt, alright? I want the thumbprint reader, I want the headphone port. Just stop changing your damn phones. Make like a throwback Thursday phone or something with the iPhone like 9.8. I don't know what you want to do. Anyways, I was going to get a new phone, and then I saw this package outside my door. I did not realize that this is shipped. I'm so excited to crack into this because this right here is probably one of my favorite pickups from 2017. You guys won't be seeing this until 2018 because I have a bunch of like top 5 videos I gotta post that you guys might have already seen, but I purchased this in 2017 at the end of the year. I discussed this in a video and a lot of you guys were like, yo, it's on this website for cheaper, so thank you to everyone that hit me up. I probably had like 200 or 300 different people say, yo, you can get this at Selfridges for a lot cheaper, yada yada yada, and I've been eyeballing this piece for like a long time. I almost bought it when it was full price at like $2,400, and then like logic and reason set in. I was like, bro, there's just no way I can justify that. Like, I want it so bad, but at the end of the day, like, if I ever needed to sell it, there's no way I could even get near that price for it. And on top of that, you guys know, like, I spend a lot of money on clothes, but I don't spend a lot of money on clothes if I can't at least make my money back. So then I saw it go on sale for like $1,500. Once again, I almost bought it, but logic set in, reason set in. I was like, you know what? No, I'm just gonna wait, right? And then it went down to like 1,100 or like maybe even, I think it got as low as like $1,024 on Essence, and I love Essence. Essence has some great sales. In fact, if they still have sales going on, I'll even link some stuff from Essence down in the description below because they have a bunch of dope designer deals and they have usually the best deals. However, so many people hit me up about this place, Selfridges. I'm not even familiar with it. I'm guessing it's like a UK retailer that I'm not familiar with, but anyways, this thing was marked down to $600. $600. Like, that's after shipping. After paying 30 pounds in shipping, it was like, it came out to like 595 pounds or $595. I don't remember exactly what the price was, but it was between like $600 or $700 freaking dollars. And this is a $2,400 jacket. Now let's open this box because I am dying to see if this piece fits. I'm just like so freaking ecstatic right now. Of course, by the way, you already know I'm gonna show if it fits on here, but make sure you guys follow my Instagram, so I'm going to be taking some fire pictures in this piece. Like, you already know, my Instagram is fire. It's @thestarlife, THESTARRLIFE. That'll be somewhere on the screen. This is already so freaking beautiful. This is all I've seen right now, and it's already so beautiful. Just look at it. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, this thing is sick, dude. Get out of my way, bag. Oh my god, this thing is sick. As you guys can see, this is designed by Junya Watanabe, who's like a designer or has done designing for CDG or some stuff like that. I'm not super familiar with a lot of his stuff. I just know that him and North Face has a collab. I saw images from this forever ago, right? When they first discussed this collab and they did the little runway thing or little whatever fashion show, I saw these and I was like, yo, I need those when they come out. And then they came out and I saw the price tag and I was like, maybe I don't need them that bad. Man, this is heavy duty. So basically what I read was that these are like North Face's basically made up of like old base camp duffels. Like if you look right here on the back, you can see there's like a little duffel handle. I don't know, I mean really this is actually kind of a hazard. If you're running from the police or running from someone who's got a problem with you, they might just grab you, just boom, yank you down, but I don't know. Anyways, I really want to open this. I'm kind of curious. These buttons are a little bit fancy for me. I don't even understand how these things work. Oh, okay, whoa. Damn, these buttons are kind of cool actually. I'm low fashion. Oh man, it's even got pockets on the inside, and you might, okay. A lot of people are probably typing in the comments like, haha, why are you so hyped on pockets on the inside? I'm gonna show you why in a second, okay? But first, let's see if this piece fits, okay? I got a medium. It does fit. As you can see, it's trench coat mob in season. It's kind of stiff up top because obviously the material is like more heavyweight. And that, I don't really know how I feel because the rest of it's all like lightweight and it's kind of, it seems kind of like off balance. Alright, I really don't need these tags because your boy's not, wait, actually maybe I should keep them on. What if I want to return it or something? Okay, let me not get overzealous. I don't think I'm going to want to return it, but you just never know. I'm also not a big fan of the cuffs on this thing, but I knew I wasn't going to be. Like, when I saw the pictures of it, I knew that I wasn't really going to be a fan of the cuffs. They're not, like, terrible, but I don't know. I like cuffs, not this, like, I don't know, this material thing. It just feels kind of weird. Damn, this is sick, bro. It does fit. I'm not returning it. I don't care. It's a little bit long because I'm short, but I don't care, man. I'm keeping this thing. This thing is so sick. How does this look on body? Can I do this? Oh, you can button it together. Damn. Your boy is fancy, looking like I'm a hitman or something. See the neck? See what I'm talking about? It's kind of suffocating, but it does work. Essentially, this piece right here can unbutton from that. It also, I think it unbuttons from the back too. I don't know why. I don't know what that's for. Maybe it's just so you can take it off entirely. I don't know what I like better. I don't know if I like it better down like this or kind of like up around the neck with the hickey hider action. I'm not really that sure. I will say I love these buttons. Now when I take this off, right, you might notice something. There are these little straps on the back where you can essentially wear it as like a backpack. Now, I don't ever really see myself wearing it like this, to be honest. I think the overall purpose is basically to wear if it's like too hot outside, you want to take your jacket off and you don't have anywhere to store it, then boom, you can wear it around your back. But it's such a long piece, it kind of just looks like a cape when you do that. I do like that idea though. The first time I ever saw that implemented was in a Rick Owens bomber jacket that had straps where I think it had one strap and you could wear it as like a shoulder bag, which I thought was really cool because the way that it looked was that it essentially looked like it was a messenger bag with like sleeves hanging, and I just thought it looked really cool. Now this I think has a similar concept. Now the reason I was excited about the pockets is because if you look on the inside, oh I see, so this actually has like a little, first of all this has something to hold these straps down, little buttons right here, but if you look on the inside, the pocket has a big mesh pocket on the back. It even has the base camp duffel tag. Like this is so sick. I mean, I don't know if these are really made from actual base camp duffels or if that's just kind of like the theme and they took like different pieces of fabric from those duffels and then made this. You have these like flannel hits inside the jacket, like randomly like sewn into different pieces. I was kind of wondering if you could, oh, you can't take this whole thing off? I wonder why these straps are here, if that's just for looks or what. There's like all these little things that it seems like they're there just for aesthetics or looks, but I mean, who knows, maybe I'll figure out some kind of hidden purposes in this jacket because there's a lot of different things going on in this coat. Like there's just so many different things. I'm definitely stoked that I got it. Do I think it's worth that $2,000 price tag that it was originally marked at? Hell no. Definitely not. Otherwise I would have bought it. But I will say this jacket is quality and it's definitely like my favorite jacket to drop from this whole, like, this might even be my favorite North Face ever. This is so sick to have in my North Face collection, dude. The North Face branding right there on the back, right there on the shoulder as well. It honestly kind of reminds me of a trench coat that I saw this dude wearing one time. It was a G-Star trench coat. It was super dope, and I remember thinking like, damn, I really wish I had that trench coat. Like, that dude looks so cool. He was like 55, and he was just styling. He was from the UK. I met him in Seattle. He was just, you know, all proper and blah blah blah. I don't really know. I have bad proper impersonations because I'm not. Yeah, man, I'm super stoked to have that jacket. I'm excited to get some pictures in it. Hopefully I can rock it. I mean, it's gonna be kind of weird because that's a really long jacket and I'm a really short dude. I'm 5'8" when it's sunny outside, and I grow little quarter of an inch. My license and the military both measure me at 5'8", but really they're just being generous. I know deep down I'm only 5'7 3/4", and I will never truly be 5'8". Someday I'll be 5'7 when I get old and I start shrinking and shit, you know. Anyways, what I'm trying to say is I'm a little bit shorter, so wearing a super long coat like that might look kind of weird, especially since it doesn't really have anything at the bottom to keep it like in, I guess. Like at the bottom it kind of flares out a little bit, but I really don't care. I think it's gonna look dope. And if you guys want to see how it looks on body or see how I style it, then of course make sure you go follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram's at the Starlight. There'll be someone on the screen and in the description below. Before I go, I want to show you some of my other North Faces real quick. Really not some of them, just one of them, which is this one right here. This is the other North Face trench coat that I have already. I forget what this jacket is called. It has a name for it. Oh man, what was this one called? Anyways, I like this one a lot because this one doesn't flare out. As you can see, it's a little bit more plain. It's not super branded. You just got the North Face branding right there, and then right there on the back as well, black on black. I actually did a video on this several years ago. This is a waterproof trench coat. Water literally just beads right off of it. I did this video because if you guys are familiar with Jacob Keller back in the day, he showed off this Issa Aura jacket, and I felt like that jacket was really sick, but it was really expensive, and one of the big like advertised features was that the water just beads right off it. And I was like, bro, like you can just get a North Face trench for cheaper and it does the exact same thing. And I have a lot of just random dope North Face stuff. I don't keep everything, but I have several like black on black North Face Gore-Texes, and I don't know, just overall my North Face collection is pretty fire. Maybe someday soon I'll do a full North Face collection video, but I'm glad to have that in the collection because that piece is just so sick to me. And the fact that I got a jacket that is over $2,000 for 600 bucks is insane to me. Dude, I'm so stoked on that purchase. But anyways, what do you guys think of this jacket? Let me know down in the comments below. Like I said, I will leave some links to the Essence sale if it is still going on, so that way you guys can go buy yourself some designer. If I can find this jacket anywhere still in stock, I will leave that link down in the description below as well. I believe it is sold out on Selfridges, but I'm not 1000% sure. God, this thing is so sick, dude. God, this thing is so sick, dude. Oh, man. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. And as always, keep living the star life. I really can't get over how dope this is. I mean, just look at this pocket, dude.